Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the product activation failed error in Microsoft Office. If you're seeing this banner across Word, Excel, or any other Office app, don't worry, it's usually an easy fix to do. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open File Explorer. Click on this PC, then open your C drive. From there, go into the Program Files, then find Microsoft Office folder. And open the Office 16 folder. Inside that folder, you should see this file called osp.rearm.exe. Now you might have to scroll a little bit down to find it. Just make sure you run it as an administrator. That's really important, or it might not work. If it doesn't fix the problem right away, don't worry. Come back and run it again. Sometimes you need to run it 2 or 3 times before it fully resets the activation. And once you've done that, let's go ahead and open an Office app like Word or Excel and check it out. And there you go, the product activation failed error should be gone. Alright, if this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.